The corona pandemic has indulged our globe with number of challenges before the mankind. Our scientists have contributed in all possible ways that they can towards eliminating these threats and finding cure for it.
CSIR Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute, Bhavnagar, has been raising to the occasion for the scientific interventions that is possible with the expertise that we have for combating the COVID-19. There are few important efforts that we have taken. I just thought of summarizing it over here.
CSIR CSMCRI, Bhavnagar, Gujarat has been contributing in diverse verticals like development of protective equipment, for example, alcohol and aqueous hand sanitizers, efficient membrane-based face masks and face shields, disinfectant chambers for reducing waste and reutilization of these products like PPE kit, repurposing of drugs and etc.
CSIR Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute, Bhavnagar, in collaboration with ICMR, National Institute of Occupational Health, Ahmedabad, we have developed masks. These masks are capable of restricting the COVID virus, and the bacteria filtration efficiency of these masks are more than 99%. And we have prepared more than 35,000 masks during this lockdown period.
We started thinking how to use this mask and seal and again. That means how we can recycle the things. For that, we developed in our laboratory one protocol for with bacteria we have developed here, and then the same protocol we have sent to one ICMR institute at Ahmedabad to evaluate whether that protocol can be used for disinfecting the COVID virus also. Using this protocol, one man or anyone can reuse their mask many times. That means there will be less pollution, less wastage of money, and to reduce the environmental pollution.
This is a water-based hand sanitizer. It does not contain any alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, and we have prepared this during the lockdown period at CSMCRI, and it was tested with this hand sanitizer against various pathogenic bacteria and especially COVID virus. And this hand sanitizer kills almost all the COVID-19 virus within 30 seconds. Another advantage of this thing, as it is water-based hand sanitizer, there is no possibility for catches fire, and all the marketed hand sanitizer against use COVID are alcohol based, and these are quite toxic, and there is a possibility of catches fire. It was also tested against human skin saline, and this hand sanitizer formulation is completely non-toxic towards human skin.
So at the beginning of this pandemic, we realized that we are going to face a very big crisis of the PPE kit. So we quickly designed a face shield. Best thing about this shield is that it has a cover from the bottom also. So it covers not only face but from the neck. Very lightweight, and total this face shield weigh around 30 grams only.
So this is the face shield that has been fabricated using injection molding technique. In order to harmonize the specification of the face shield with respect to prevailing international standard, we have designed face shield with visor thickness of 1 mm.
CSIR has chosen around 14 molecules. Among that, CSMCRI we have chosen as a chemostat mesylate as the molecule for the synthesis of purpose. So this chemostat mesylate is actually already approved drug, FDA approved drug, which we have chosen involves actually 8 reaction steps. So we have completed all synthetic steps. It has been already proved that it is having around more than 95% of purity.
So chemostat mesylate is a medicine which is used to prevent viral introduction in the lung cell. So it acts as a serine protease inhibitor, and that prevents entrance of SARS-CoV to the virus into lung cell, and therefore it prevents the spread of COVID-19 in this pandemic situation. CSMCRI has designed the synthesis of thermostat mesalate. We have already achieved up to 1 gram level synthesis.
We have designed totally automated decontamination chamber wherein users can place face masks on the provided hangers and put on the switch of the device for decontamination process to start. After interval of 20 to 30 minutes, the PPEs can be withdrawn from the chamber and again reused. The process retains the mechanical integrity and functional performance of the face mask.
So these are some of the efforts that we have been doing it, and I'm sure these are all very, very small steps in the fight against a big virus. In fact, our parent organization, CSIR, headed by Dr. Shekhar Mandle, has been doing a phenomenal effort in a collated manner by creating a kind of 5 verticals and combating this virus in whatever the possible manner. So under the influence of Government of India and our parent organization, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, we are trying all our best efforts for combating this pandemic situation. Thank you.